Thank you for trying Waitly Professional. This video will get you up and running with Waitly in just a few minutes. For a fuller experience on an iPad, download our app in the App Store. To add a guest, press the red plus sign. Fill out the required information and press Add. Your entry will show up on your waitlist page, and your guest will automatically receive a welcome message letting them know they are on the waitlist. To let your guest know their table is ready, press the Notify button. When the guest party arrives to be seated, press the Done button to move the guest to your History section. If you need to move guests back onto the waitlist, press the Restore button. To add a reservation, go to Settings, choose Reservations, and make sure you have reservations turned on. With Waitly, you can enter reservations directly into the app, accept reservations from your website, or let patrons book directly from Google. To add a reservation in the Waitly app, navigate to the Reservations section and press the red plus sign. Enter the date and time of the reservation, along with the other relevant information, and press Add Reservation. The guest will receive a confirmation message, and the reservation will appear on the upcoming reservations list in Calendar View, Aggregate View, or by tabletop usage. When your guests arrive, press the check-in button to remove them from upcoming reservations and add them to the waitlist. These are the basics of setting up Waitly using a browser. For more information or for personalized help, go to support.waitly.com.